Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing with you how to coordinate website design and customer service scripts. This is a problem many sellers only gradually realize after they have traffic, website design, and customer service all in place. You may have encountered this. The website design is already quite good, and customer service is responding very diligently. But conversion rates are still stuck at a certain point. Upon closer inspection, you'll find a very typical phenomenon. Customer service is fixing the website design, but the website design isn't cooperating with customer service. The result is, customer service is exhausted, users are annoyed, and conversion rates are low. Below, I won't discuss how to train customer service, but rather start from the division of labor between website design and customer service, and truly clarify how these two tasks can coordinate. First, the conclusion. Website design and customer service are essentially relay persuasion. This is the premise for understanding all coordination issues. In the user's decision-making process, the renovation team is responsible for answering common questions in advance, reducing the cost of understanding and hesitation. Customer service is responsible for resolving personalized questions, helping users overcome the final hurdle. If the renovation team doesn't explain things clearly, customer service will be forced to explain repeatedly. If customer service's explanation differs from the page, users will lose trust. These two roles are not redundant, but rather a division of labor. 2. The most common mistake. Making customer service repeatedly answer questions that should be on the page. This is the most obvious manifestation of the disconnect between customer service and the renovation team. For example, customer service is repeatedly asked, "What's the difference between this one and that one? Is this suitable for me? Is there a guarantee? How about after-sales service?" These questions themselves are not complex, but they consume a lot of customer service time. But the root of the problem is not with customer service, but with the renovation team failing to provide users with basic decision-making information in advance. The page should address 70% of common issues, allowing customer service to focus on the remaining 30%. Third, the first thing to do in store design, reduce the burden on customer service. A truly mature store design will significantly reduce the workload on customer service. You can judge this by this. If no customer service representatives are online today, can users make 70% of their purchase decisions based solely on the page? If the answer is no, then there's definitely significant room for improvement in the design. To reduce the burden on customer service, store design should at least achieve the following. Clearly identify key products and differences. Clearly define the target audience and scenarios. Clearly define basic rules, pricing, after-sales service, shipping. Customer service representatives are not meant to be page instruction manuals. Customer service scripts should follow the logic of the store design. This is a key point many stores overlook. Some customer service scripts are not inherently problematic, but they contradict the page's logic. For example, the page emphasizes Advantage A first, but customer service talks about Advantage B first. The page promotes one product, but customer service strongly recommends another. This will directly give users the feeling the page and customer service seem to be operating on different logics. This disconnect quickly erodes trust. Ideally, customer service scripts should be an extension of the page's logic, not a rebuttal. Leave room for maneuver for customer service scripts. Don't make definitive statements. This is a very easily overlooked point. Some pages, in an effort to appear professional, make very definitive and absolute statements. As a result, customer service in communication are afraid to be flexible, afraid to adjust their statements, can only repeatedly quote the page. If the user's situation is slightly different, customer service becomes very passive. A more mature approach is, the page states, suitable for what situation? And customer service adds, if you are in this situation, we recommend this choice. The page sets the direction. Customer service handles the specific implementation. 6. Which information must be presented on the page first, rather than waiting for customer service to explain? The following types of information will definitely decrease conversion rates if explained by customer service: product differences and selection logic, pricing structure and discount methods, shipping, after-sales service, and guarantees, suitability for a specific group of people. If this content doesn't appear on the page beforehand, users will often leave before even asking customer service. Questions that are asked often result in a loss of customers. 7. Which questions are better handled by customer service? It's also important to define boundaries. The following content is better suited for customer service: personalized needs assessment, special usage scenarios, guiding indecisive users, final confirmation for peace of mind. These are things that the page can't easily address with a one-size-fits-all approach, and where customer service can truly create value. Store design addresses commonalities. Customer service addresses individualities. 8. Why do stores with good collaboration between store design and customer service have smoother sales? You'll find some shops that have few customer service representatives and their responses aren't particularly fast, but their conversion rate is very high. The reason is often the product page has already explained most of the information to the user. Customer service only needs to confirm the logic. The entire communication process is very smooth. The user's real feeling is, I understand it, I just need to ask one question and I'll place an order. 9. A very practical self-check method. You can have your customer service representatives do one thing: compilate the 5 most frequently asked questions each day. Then ask yourself, of these 5 questions, are 3 of them actually on the product page? If so, then there's definitely a lot of room for improvement in the product design and customer service collaboration. A very practical piece of advice for sellers: don't treat customer service as a cure-all. The truly efficient approach is, use product design to solve recurring problems. Use customer service to solve hesitation problems. Make sure both are using the same logic, just with different roles. When customer service is no longer bogged down explaining basic information and can focus on facilitating a decision, the overall conversion rate will naturally improve. In short, the best collaboration between product design and customer service isn't about who talks more, but rather who should talk and when. The product page clearly states what needs to be said, and customer service provides the necessary supplementary information. A sale often occurs during a smooth conversation.